Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm doing a portion of the Bondi to Manly coastal walk. As you can imagine, that's a very long distance to cover in one day. So today I'm just doing a small portion. So I took the ferry from Circular Quay over to Kirribilli, and I'll be making my way over to Taronga Zoo as my endpoint for today. It's a beautiful summer day. Got about 82 degrees outside, sunny blue skies. So yeah, looking forward to a beautiful walk, and I'll grab some footage along the way. So the first place to point out is the Flying Bear Cafe, right over here. A really good spot for some sunset drinks and small bites, and yeah, check out these views here. Can't beat this. There's also a beautiful park right here in the background as well, just opposite of the water. So I've made it over to Anderson Park now, and as you can see, there's a beautiful little bay right here and what appears to be a small cricket pitch as well. One of the great things about the Bondi to Manly walk is that there are these small signs that help you navigate to your next point. So those have been pretty much every couple hundred meters. So the wharf over here at Caraba Point isn't technically on the Bondi to Manly walk, but I thought I might have a good view, so here I am checking it out. And yeah, pretty sick views of the city. Just made it over to Caraba Point. It's not technically on the Bondi to Manly walk, but yeah, I could not pass up the opportunity to check out these views over here. So I'm about halfway over to Cremorne Point, and wow, just check out these views. All right, bit of a journey, but I made it over here to Cremorne Point. Pretty cool views of the city from here, and next I will be walking that general direction over to Taronga Zoo to finish up today's walk. All right, so I've just made it over here to Taronga Zoo Wharf. Yeah, the walk in total today probably took about 2.5–3 hours to do. It was very hot out, so I went through quite a bit of water. Thankfully, there's some water refilling stations along the way. If you get the Bondi to Manly iPhone app, there's actually a map that has the water stations displayed on the map, so I would recommend getting that if you're planning to do this walk. It definitely helps out with navigation as well. But yeah, about to hop on the ferry here back to Circular Quay. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.